Hi everyone, it's Lauren Day Makeup and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this pretty pink hair. It's a pastel pink and you can achieve this look at home. You don't need to visit a salon. It's really simple and easy, and if you'd like to know how, then keep on watching. To achieve a pretty pastel pink, the first thing that you'll need is a hair colour of some sort. The colour that I like to use is the Alfaparf Milano. This is the direct colouring cream. It's from their Revolution line, and this colour is Magenta. It's called Magenta, and it's actually a really nice hybrid between a purple and a pink. It's not too pink. They do have a pink in their collection, but I find the magenta, once you apply to the hair, it actually gives you a really nice pale pastel pink color. It's not too vibrant, it's not too neon. A lot of the other hot pinks or bright pinks that you can get are very, very bright, and so if you do apply a little bit too much, you can get really fluoro pink hair. So I find this color is absolutely amazing, so I would highly recommend it. It's very inexpensive. You can get it at a beauty salon store, or you can purchase online, and also Alfaparf Milano are also cruelty free. So basically what we need is this hair colorant. You also need a conditioner. The conditioner that I use is by Schwarzkopf, and it's the Extra Care Magnificent Strength Conditioner, and this is inexpensive as well. You can buy this at your supermarket or local drugstore. You will also need a mixing bowl. This is one you can buy from a hair supply store, or you can get them online, or you can also buy them from the drugstore as well. They're about $2 or $3. You also need a brush as well. This really helps to apply the colour. You don't necessarily need to apply with a brush. You can apply with your hands, but I find using the brush makes it easy. Very easy application. You also need a comb of some sort, and you will need some hair clips as well. So the basic process of this is to use your container, putting some conditioner into the container, then we're going to put a small amount of the colour into the conditioner, and then we're going to mix it really, really well, and then we're going to apply that colour to the hair. It is best to apply this colour when your hair is damp. You don't want your hair to be dripping wet. I usually wash my hair in the shower. I wash and condition my hair. I get out of the shower, I usually put my makeup on, or let your hair air dry for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and section off our hair and apply the hair colour. So what that does is, once you apply the hair colour to your hair, the conditioner actually dilutes the colour to give you a really nice pastel pink. If we were to apply this colour directly to our hair, we would get a very deep, dark magenta shade. So by mixing it with the conditioner, you're actually diluting the colour and you're creating a soft pastel pink. So we apply that then to the hair, to damp hair, and then we wait about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we rinse off thoroughly in the shower. You don't need to condition again, obviously, because this includes your conditioner, but you do want to make sure that you're applying this to shampooed or freshly washed hair. Let's start by making the colour mixture. Add conditioner to your container, and then we're going to add a small dollop of the hair colorant. As you can see, you don't need a lot. Now we're going to use the brush to mix the colorant together. It's really important that you mix really, really well. If your colour is looking a little bit too dark, you can add a little bit more conditioner in to achieve the desired shade of pink. And now we're ready to apply to the hair. Well, hello there. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. It is damp and it's been drying for 20 minutes. I'm wearing an old t-shirt, so it doesn't matter if I spill colour on it and it happens to be pink. I'm starting off by combing my hair. It is really important that your hair is thoroughly brushed through and there's no tangles or knots in your hair. This is really, really important, so I'm just brushing that through. Next, I'm grabbing a hair tie and sectioning off one half of my hair, and I'm going to begin on the other half. So I'm going to clip away the top part of my hair, and I'm going to section off the bottom part of my hair, and I'm going to work in sections applying the colour. So brush through with your comb to make sure there's no tangles. Now we're going to apply the colour. So just get a small amount onto the brush and apply directly to your hair. And just apply at the roots and then going all the way down. Don't worry if you get the hair colour on your skin, it does just wipe off with a tissue. So just applying that liberally to the hair and then combing through so it evenly distributes the product through the hair, and then just twisting that section away so I know that I've done that section. Working on the next section, I'm just applying more colour to the hair. As you can see, having the brush to apply the colour really helps with your application, and it's much easier than using your hands. Make sure you comb through each section so that the colour is evenly distributed. This is really, really important. Here I've just missed a section, so I'm just going back and adding more colour to that particular section, especially closer to the roots. So just keep sectioning your hair and applying the colour. It's fairly straightforward. I brush each section after I've applied the colour and then just twist it so I know I've applied that section. Sectioning off your hair really helps with the application of the colour. Don't forget to always apply to the ends as well. You don't want to miss those. Ta-da! I've applied all the colour. I've just got one section to go. So I'm applying the rest of the colour to this last section of hair, combing through, and then I'm going to apply the rest of the colour to my root area, because this is where I part my hair every day, so I want to make sure that's covered. Leave the colour on for 20 minutes and then wash off in the shower. Voila! This is the results after applying the hair colour, rinsing off the hair colour, and then also blow drying and straightening my hair. As you can see, my hair is so pink and gorgeous, and it's just such a soft pink colour. And you can see that there are actual sections of my hair that are still blonde, because when I was applying the colour, I was very sparing with how I applied it, and I didn't necessarily concentrate on applying the pink to every single section of my hair, because I do really like my blonde hair and I did want to have sections of my hair that was still blonde. But it is such a pretty result, and I have tried like L'Oreal Colorista, and I've tried Fudge Color, I've tried a lot of different color products and mixing them with conditioner. Obviously the L'Oreal Colorista, you don't need to mix with conditioner, you just apply it straight to the hair, and they tend to fade really quickly. I find with this colour, I can apply this colour and it will last about a month or so. Obviously it fades after you wash it. I normally only wash my hair once a week because I have very curly hair, and I wash my hair and then I straighten my hair and I keep it straight for most of the week. And so I only really wash my hair every 5 or 6 days, and so therefore the colour does last quite a long time, because I'm only mainly getting 4 to 5 washes per month. But as you can see, we didn't use very much of the colour, and you get quite a lot of colour here. It's 90 mils, and as you can see, when I squirted the colour into the conditioner, I only used a very small amount. So this colour will actually last you a really long time, which means that you can keep applying it to refresh the colour and get this pretty pastel pink hair that everyone is rocking. Even Kim Kardashian tried this hair when she went to Japan recently. So give this a go. Let me know if you have tried this method before, mixing hair colour with conditioner to get pastel pink hair. I'd love to know. And if you have any tips on application or keeping the colour longer, then definitely comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!